and we're going to Johor Baru. Okay guys, welcome to Johor Baru. Good morning guys. Today we're leaving Kuala Lumpur. Goodbye. And we're going to Johor Baru. Going there by bus. Maybe once we get there, we'll tell you a little bit more about why, or maybe on the way we'll tell you a little bit more about why we're going there. But for now, we're just packing up, saying goodbye to the whole city. We have to get in a taxi, grab, get to the bus station. Got to catch a bus in about an hour or so. But before we do that, we've got some sad news. We're retiring the battery and the poor little GoPro Gorilla Pod. Now you can see Gorilla Tripod is now a Duo Pod, if that's what it is. 2 legs. We broke, and the battery itself no longer charges. So they've done us well over the past two months. Worked hard for us, but now it's time for them to retire. So goodbye. They're going to stay here in Kuala Lumpur and retire into this amazing city. Yes, sad times. But don't worry, we've got a replacement battery. And we've got a brand new tripod situation thing. Da-da-da. So don't worry, still making videos, still making things, still got a GoPro, still it is happening. So let's get out there. See you there, see you somewhere, yes. Okay guys, so we're just waiting for the grab. Saying goodbye to our place. Really nice one actually. This is where we're staying. Yeah, really nice place. Really nice. Can't really say anything bad about it. Yeah, good location. Lots of things around, but also quite calm and quiet. Yeah. Okay. Now, grab time. Okay guys, so we made it. Look, here's the bus, look, Ash is getting on. Oh, a bit stressed, but okay. Luckily everything was delayed because we were late-ish. I'll talk to you on the bus. Okay guys, so we made it. Look, we're going somewhere. Going to JB Larkin, so that's Johor Baru. We made it. We got to the station at 9 o'clock. Our thing was supposed to be at 9:15. I didn't have time to kind of get the camera out, but there was like queues and weird things and tickets, and you go this way and you go that way. Yeah, we tried to use like because we booked online basically. Booked online for 35 RM apparently. It says there. Oh yeah, on the ticket it says 35 RM, and then on my email it says €8.63. So there you go. Oh look, we're stopping already. I guess we're stopping for gas. But yes, we kind of made a mistake in some respects. To not get there, I guess, half an hour before, like they suggested. We got there a quarter of an hour before. And we were kind of tried using the digital email ticket to get through the gate didn't work. Man told me to go over to a basically where you get your boarding passes printed. So we went over there. By the time we got to the front, it was 13 past 9. Obviously we were then kind of a bit rushed to get down there for 15 past, but we made it. Luckily, because the guys before us, I think, looked like they were delayed. So they came in to our gate late. So it all worked out. Yeah, I was going through all scenarios of having to rebook everything, but it worked out. So now we're going. Well, now we're stopped. But we're at least on the right bus. Yes. Yes, Asha. Keeping calm.
I wanted to say don't panic, because I did and has no point. So be peaceful.
Yeah, there's literally no point in panicking. You just get another seat, get another ticket. There's another bus in like 15 minutes. Okay, bye. Okay guys, we've stopped a little bit. First stop, toilet break and a snack break. Still got about 2 hours to go. 2 hours. Not too long. Okay guys, welcome to Johor Baru. Here it is. Not much to see from here. We're still on the road obviously, but yeah, we're about 4 minutes away from the bus station. So yeah, I guess I'll check in with you when we're there. Okay guys, so this is our Larkin. Well, that's Larkin. We thought we were going to be in, I thought we were going to be dropped off in there. We just got dropped off on the side of the road. And our bus driver's gone. He's gone. We had this guy here trying to give us a ride. Well, obviously get paid to give us a ride. And he was asking originally 35 and a lot of like 35. Okay, that's okay. Something Malaysian, something. Blah, blah, blah. A lot of baggage apparently. Apparently we've got a lot of baggage for his big car. But I've looked on Grab and it's like 11. So you know. I mean, if he said something like 15, I probably would have said yes. But his first thing was 35, so that's a bit ridiculous. Anyway, this is Larkin Central. There's Asha, look. Hi. She's eating my banana. Oh, good. That's nice. Okay, I'm going to try and get this Grab, alright? Bye. Okay guys, so this is our room. Oh, we had a little issue because it was Hotel Clique, C-I-K, and there's 2 of them, not too far from each other. So I put in Hotel Clique in the Grab app, and it took us to the other one. So then we were actually here. So we're now here. I had to get in another Grab. And now we are here. We're here. This room is tiny, but we are here.
We fit.
Yeah, we fit. Just.
There's a coffee tea.
But that there, all the way over there, that's Singapore.
Oh wow, you can see the bridge. How cool is that?
Yeah, it's the bridge there. It's the bridge to Singapore. Not actually as long as I thought it was going to be. Oh yeah, I guess it starts all the way back there. But then you go, so yeah, there we are.
Cool.
It's the room. Cheap and cheerful. Cheap and simple. Oh, yeah. Cheerful. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for the video. Thanks for watching. We're gonna go exploring maybe around here. Hopefully the rain holds off. I do have my brand new poncho to try out, I guess.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, we might do a little walk around. Probably, I think we're doing Singapore tomorrow. The man in the taxi did just tell us that the mooncakes are 3 times cheaper here than they are over in Singapore, so make sure you get them in Johor. Well, we can get them in both places probably. But yeah, we'll see what happens. That's it for now though. Thanks for watching. Maybe consider subscribing. Cheers for watching. See you on the next one. Until then, keep on drifting.